Hello, in front of me I've got RingConn 2. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable periodic forecast. In the beginning, let's go to RingConn app and go to Insights. Scroll down and go to Period Forecast. How does the period forecast feature work? To accurately forecast your cycle, RingConn requires at least 60 consecutive nights of body temperature data. If your data is insufficient, the system will use your cycle history and other health metrics for initial estimate. For the best accuracy, wear the device every night to record complete and reliable data. Select Next Step, Agree, and Start Questionnaire. Complete your questionnaire and it's done. Here you can measure ovulation phase, menstrual phase, follicular phase, and luteal phase. Then you can check skin temperature for each day of the month. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.